Christ the Redeemer, a globally recognized icon perched atop Mount Corcovado in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, is one of the most visited and celebrated tourist attractions in the world. Towering at 98 feet tall with an arm span of 92 feet, this Art Deco masterpiece, designed by Paul Landowski and constructed by engineer Heitor da Silva Costa, stands as a symbol of faith, peace, and unity, drawing millions of visitors annually. The journey to the statue is as enchanting as the destination itself, offering a blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Visitors can ascend Mount Corcovado through a scenic train ride that cuts through the lush Tijuca National Park, one of the largest urban rainforests in the world. The train ride is a sensory delight, with glimpses of vibrant flora and fauna and occasional bursts of birdsong that make the journey memorable. For those seeking adventure, there are also hiking trails that meander through the park, providing a more immersive experience of the tropical landscape. Upon reaching the summit, visitors are greeted by panoramic views of Rio de Janeiro, where the cityscape, beaches, and the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean converge in a breathtaking tableau. The sight of the statue, with its arms outstretched as if embracing the entire city, is both humbling and awe-inspiring. The statue itself is a marvel of engineering and artistic prowess. Constructed from reinforced concrete and clad in thousands of triangular soapstone tiles, which give it its smooth, luminous surface. Each detail, from the serene expression on Christ's face to the precise proportions of the statue, reflects a meticulous craftsmanship that has stood the test of time. The base of the statue houses a chapel dedicated to Our Lady of Aparecida, the patron saint of Brazil, which provides a serene space for prayer and reflection. Many visitors take a moment here to absorb the spiritual ambiance, often lighting candles or offering silent prayers. The statue is not only a tourist attraction, but also a cultural and religious symbol, hosting various ceremonies and events throughout the year, including weddings and baptisms. The experience is enhanced by the knowledgeable guides and informational displays available on site, offering insights into the history, construction, and cultural significance of the monument. Photography enthusiasts find endless opportunities to capture the beauty of Christ the Redeemer, whether it's the statue itself, the sweeping vistas, or the interplay of light and shadows that dance across its surface throughout the day. Sunset is an especially magical time to visit, as the golden hues of the setting sun cast a warm glow over the statue and the city below, creating a picture-perfect moment that lingers in the memory. Accessibility to Christ the Redeemer has been improved over the years, with facilities such as elevators and escalators, making it easier for visitors of all ages and abilities to reach the summit. The site is meticulously maintained, with efforts to preserve both the statue and the surrounding environment. Conservation projects are regularly undertaken to address the wear and tear caused by weather and time, ensuring that the statue remains a pristine landmark for generations to come. Security measures are also in place to provide a safe and enjoyable experience for all visitors. Despite the large crowds, the site manages to maintain a sense of tranquility and reverence, allowing visitors to connect with the monument on a personal level. The journey to Christ the Redeemer is not just a physical ascent, but also an emotional and spiritual one, leaving visitors with a deep sense of wonder and gratitude. It is an experience that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers, uniting people from all walks of life in their admiration for this extraordinary monument and the breathtaking city it overlooks. Subscribe this channel, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got heaps of adventures to share.